The evening settles like a gentle tide, but your empty chair is by my side. The breeze still carries echoes of your laugh, sweet memories that time could never match. Though silence lingers in this quiet room, your love still blossoms like a flower in bloom. Every heartbeat softly knows true love always finds its road. The stars still call your name tonight, guiding my heart with their silver light. Though we're apart, our love remains, flowing gently like the summer rain. Every wish I send above carries the strength of endless love. Until your arms are holding me, you'll live forever in my dreams. Morning breaks across the sea once more, just like the days we've known before. Every sunrise gives my soul new grace, keeping hope alive in every place. No lonely hour can steal away the promise that our hearts will stay. Like the moon beside the tide, our love will never say goodbye. The stars still call your name tonight, filling every shadow with their light. When tomorrow opens up the sky, I'll greet the dawn with hopeful eyes. Every melody I softly sing carries the joy your love can bring. One faithful heart will always be waiting where our dreams can meet. If the road grows long and wide, love will always be our guide. Through every storm and every tear, your gentle voice is always near. Time can never change what's true, every heartbeat belongs to you. The stars still call your name each night, keeping every dream inside. We'll meet again beneath the moon, I believe that day is coming soon. With every sunrise, hand in hand, we'll write our story across the sand. Forever faithful, forever bright, love will shine beyond the night. The island breeze whispers low, where true hearts always grow. One love, one soul, one destiny. Forever you and me. The moon is hanging softly in the sky. Another quiet evening passing by. Your memory drifts like waves upon the sea. Still your love living deep in me. Though empty rooms can echo through the night, hope still burns with its gentle light. Every prayer I send above carries the strength of faithful love. When love comes home, I'll be waiting there with open arms and a heart laid bare. Every tear will fade away, giving hope to a brighter day. No distance can erase what's true. Every road leads back to you. I'll keep believing, I'll stay strong until love breathes on. The morning breeze still speaks your name, yet my devotion never changed. Every lesson from the pain we've known has helped our hearts continue to grow. Love is patient through years, holding dreams beyond the tears. No lonely night can steal away the promises we made that day. When love comes home, the sun will rise, shining brightly in your eyes. Every heartbeat, every smile makes the waiting all worthwhile. Hand in hand, we'll start anew with a sky forever blue. Together we'll write a brand new song. When love comes home. If the rain should fall tomorrow, we'll wash away the hurt and sorrow. The strongest hearts refuse to break, for true love's worth every step we take. Every dawn brings hope once more, like waves returning to the shore. When love comes home, I'll hold you tight, wrapped in peace beneath the stars tonight. Every dream we've carried long will finally find where it belongs. Nothing in this world can tear apart the promise written on my heart. Forever faithful, forever true, I'll always be waiting for me. The island breeze keeps whispering low that love will always find its road. One heart, one soul, one destiny. forever, you and me.
Smile that hid the hurt inside. I saw the tears your quiet heart would hide. Still I believe that love could find a way to turn the darkest night into the day. Every little word we left unsaid softly through my head. Lay your worries in these open hands. Together we'll make new plans. No more walls between us. Let love shine through. Every beat of my heart belongs with you. Leave the fear behind tonight. We'll find our way into the light. Hold me close and you will see love was always our destiny. Side by side we'll rise above, building forever with honest love. We both carried scars we couldn't hide, learning how to heal with time as our guide. Every broken promise taught us grace. Every tear prepared this warm embrace. Now tomorrow feels so bright and new, because I'm walking hand in hand with you. Every sunrise brings another chance to trust again and learn to dance. No more walls between us. Let hearts be free. You're the sweetest part of life to me. Every whisper, every kiss reminds me of eternal bliss. When the world begins to shake, our love is stronger than heartbreak. Together nothing stands above the healing power of true love. If the rain should fall once more, we'll shelter on love's peaceful shore. No pride, no fear, no lonely where faithful hearts forever belong. One love, one soul, one destiny. Just you and me.
The morning sun slips through the curtains slow, painting golden light where our sweet dreams flow. Your sleepy smile is all I need to see, a gentle kind of love that sets my spirit free. Coffee on the table, laughter in the air. Every little moment tells me that you care. No fancy words, no grand parade, just honest love we've gently made. Every morning with you feels brand new, like the sky is washed in every shade of blue. In your embrace my heart can rest, wrapped in a love that's simply the best. Through every season, through joy and pain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Forever starts with moments like these, carried softly on the island breeze. We have known the silence after tears, found our strength through changing years. Every challenge only made us see love grows deeper with sincerity. Holding hands beneath the evening sky, knowing true affection never says goodbye. Every heartbeat tells the truth, my forever begins with you. Every morning with you feels so bright, turning ordinary days into pure delight. Your gentle touch, your peaceful smile makes every journey worthwhile. When the world becomes too loud to hear, your loving voice is always near. Together we'll keep our dreams in view, building every sunrise new. Time may leave its gentle trace, but love still shines upon your face. Like the waves upon the shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. Every promise, every prayer reminds me that true love is rare. Every morning with you is a gift of grace, heaven reflected in your face. With every sunrise, hand in hand, we'll write our story across the sand. Nothing could ever dim Hope is found in everything. One love, one soul, one endless day. Together we'll always stay. Every morning starts with thoughts of you, like golden sunshine breaking through. Your gentle voice can calm the restless sea, and every smile brings new life to me. Through every season, through every change, your faithful love has stayed the same. No distance can erase this feeling. Your love is where my heart finds healing. You're my sweetest promise, my brightest day, the gentle light that shows my way when the world grows heavy on my soul. Your loving arms make me whole. Every heartbeat calls your name, forever burning with the same sweet flame. I'll hold you close through every time, with endless love right by your side. We have walked through laughter and through tears, growing stronger with the passing years. Every goodbye only made us see how precious true love was meant to be. Now every sunset paints the sky with colors that will never say goodbye. Hope keeps blooming like the spring. Love is found in everything. You're my sweetest promise, soft and true. Every dream begins with you. Every kiss becomes a brand new song, the place where faithful hearts belong. Nothing in this world can break the bond our loving hearts create. Forever hand in hand we'll stand, building dreams just as we planned. If tomorrow brings another storm, your love will always keep me warm. No heartbreak lasts forever when two faithful hearts choose love again. We'll write tomorrow side by side, with hope forever as our guide. You're my sweetest promise every day, the melody that lights my way. Every sunrise, every moon above reminds me of our endless love. With every breath I'll cherish you, through skies of gray and oceans blue. Our story shines for all to see, forever you and me. Hold me close beneath the stars tonight. Everything will be alright. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever our melody. blossoms like the flowers of spring. Every scar has taught us how to heal, and every embrace reminds us love is real. Through every season, hand in hand we'll stand, building forever with a faithful plan. Love is more than words that people say. It's choosing one another every single day. When the morning comes after the darkest night, your smile turns every shadow into light. Forever in my heart, your flame will burn. A love so true will always find return. Every dream we share keeps growing strong. Side by side is where we both belong. Nothing in this world could break our chain. We'll keep on loving through the joy and pain. Oh, darling, stay. Hold me close tonight. Our love keeps shining forever in my heart. The evening breeze is calling out your name, yet every sunset never feels the same. Your gentle touch still lingers in my soul, a quiet fire that keeps my spirit whole. Though miles may stand between our hearts tonight, your memory keeps my darkest sky so bright. Every promise lives inside my heart. True love never falls apart. Love still leads me home to you. No matter what this world puts us through. When the rain begins to fall, I'll be there to answer every call. You're the rhythm beating in my chest, the place where my weary heart can rest. Forever yours, forever true. Love still leads me home to you. We've walked through storms with tears in our eyes, still believing in tomorrow's sunrise. Heartbreak tried to steal our sweetest days, but love kept finding stronger, brighter ways. Every lesson only helped us grow. Now our hearts shine brighter than before. kiss writes another page, growing sweeter with every age. Side by side we'll always stand, building forever hand in hand. You're my shelter, calm and true. Love still leads me home to you. Hold me close beneath the moonlight. Let our hearts beat soft tonight. One love, one dream, one destiny. Forever you and me. Morning sunlight finds a picture by my side, a silent reminder of a love that will not hide. Every little memory softly calls your name. Though the seasons keep on changing, my heart remains the same. The wind still carries whispers from the nights we knew. Every beat inside my soul keeps reaching out to you. Distance may stretch across the sea, but love still writes our destiny. Until you return, I'll keep the fire burning. With every sunrise, my heart keeps yearning. No lonely road can change what's true. Every dream still leads to you. I'll hold our love through joy and pain, believing we'll embrace again. My heart will always stay so true until the day I walk with you. Some nights the stars remind me of your smile, giving me the strength to wait a little while. Heartbreak never stole the hope we made. Love keeps blooming though the colors slowly fade. Every prayer is carried on the breeze, bringing gentle comfort with the swaying tree. Time may test the strongest hearts, but faithful love never falls apart. When tomorrow opens wide its door, we'll dance together forevermore. Until you return, the music plays, filling empty nights and hopeful days. Your love is the rhythm in my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. No matter where this life may roam, your heart will always be my home. I'll keep believing dreams come true until I'm once again with you. Softly the island breeze will sing of faithful hearts through everything. One love, one promise, one embrace. I'll be waiting in our special place. ocean blue. Every gentle wave reminds me of you. Love has found a quiet place to grow. In every smile and every seed we sow. When your hand is resting close to mine, even ordinary days begin to shine. No matter where the road may bend, our love will always find the end. With every heartbeat soft and strong, together is where our hearts belong. Where our hearts belong, love carries on. Like the sunrise, waking up the dawn. Every kiss is sweeter than before, opening another faithful door. We'll dance beneath the island sky, holding dreams that never say goodbye. Side by side, forever we'll stay strong, right where our hearts belong. We've known moments filled with silent tears, yet hope has carried us through all these years. Every storm became a lesson learned. Every goodbye made our love return. Now tomorrow shines with gentle light, wrapped inside your warm embrace tonight. Love is patient, love is kind, a treasure only faithful hearts can find. Every season writes a brand new song, growing deeper as we journey on. Where our hearts belong, we will always be, living every dream so naturally. Every promise blossoms like the spring. Every laugh makes heaven softly sing. Through every sunrise, through every rain, we'll choose each other once again. Nothing in this world could prove us wrong. We're forever where our hearts belong. Stay with me beneath the evening stars. Love will heal yesterday's scars. One embrace, one melody, one endless flame. Forever our hearts will sing the same. I saw you smile across the crowded room, like sunshine chasing every shade of gloom. You reached my heart without a single word, the sweetest melody I've ever heard.
Every little glance became a spark, lighting up the corners of my heart.
No need to rush, no need to hide. Love grows stronger side by side. is like the ocean breeze, bringing gentle comfort with such ease. I've searched for love in many places, but found my home inside your races.
No matter where tomorrow leads, you're the answer to my deepest dreams.
Every heartbeat sings your name,
every sunrise feels the same.
love keeps blooming like the spring, joy in every song we sing. Hand in hand we'll always stay, growing closer every day.
Come a little closer every day, let our love forever stay. Through the laughter, through the tears, we'll keep dancing through the years. Nothing in this world could change the beauty of this sweet exchange. Our hearts have found their perfect place, forever wrapped in embraces tonight.
One love, one dream, one melody, flowing like the endless sea.
Under moonlight, soft and bright,
We'll keep our flame alive tonight. The sunset glows across the sea tonight. Your smile still fills my world with golden light. Every breeze that dances through the trees carries whispers of our sweetest memories. When your hand finds mine, the world grows still. Two hearts moving with a single will. No matter where tomorrow leads our way, your love is where I'll always stay. You're my island heartbeat, strong and true. Every rhythm brings me back to you. Through every season, every change in tide, you'll always be right by my side. When the moonlight paints the ocean blue, my heart keeps singing songs for you. Love forever lights the path we see. You're my sweetest melody. We have known the silence after tears, holding on to hope throughout the years. Every goodbye only made us see how deep true love was meant to be. Now every morning brings a brand new start, wrapped forever inside your heart. Even when the skies are turning gray, your love keeps every fear away. You're my island heartbeat, soft and bright, the gentle calm within the night. Every promise grows a little more, like the waves returning to the shore. Nothing in this world can break our flame, forever burning just the same. Hand in hand we'll write our story new. Every chapter starts with you. Love is patient through the storm, distance, no heartbreak, no passing time can steal a love so pure as mine. You're my island heartbeat, endlessly the sweetest part of destiny. We'll keep dancing through the years, smiling through the joy and tears. When tomorrow calls our names once more, I love you stronger than before. Every heartbeat whispers faithfully, you're forever home to me. Under stars and island skies, love forever never dies. One embrace, one dream, one endless song. Together is where we belong. When the evening paints the sky in gold, your gentle smile is all I long to hold. Like the ocean humming to the shore, you calm my restless heart forevermore. Every little heartbeat knows your name, and every sunrise whispers just the same. When the world keeps spinning far too fast, your love is the only thing that lasts. Safe within your love, I find my peace, a quiet place where all my fears release. Wrapped inside your warm embrace tonight, you turn every shadow into light. No matter where tomorrow's winds may blow, you're the only home I'll ever know. Every dream begins and ends with us, safe within your love. There were moments when the tears would fall, wondering if we'd make it through it all. But every broken piece began to mend the moment love became our closest friend. Now every heartbeat sings a sweeter tune, dancing softly underneath the moon. No distance can erase what's true. Every road keeps leading back to you. Safe within your love, I find my song, a melody where faithful hearts belong. Every touch reminds me love survives, giving hope to all I your melody. Through every sunrise, through every rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. With every breath and every kiss, you fill my soul with endless bliss. Forever yours, forever true. My heart belongs with you. Stay with me until the morning light. Hold me close throughout the night. One love, one heart, one destiny. Together for eternity.